What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar with C-Zar Gets Crypto, and we are looking at Bitcoin today. More specifically today, actually, we're looking at the Bitcoin dominance chart. If you want to pull this chart up for yourself, in your search bar in TradingView, type in btc.d, the very first chart. You can just press enter, but it's going to be the very first choice. And yeah, that's the this is the chart we're looking at. This is the dominance of Bitcoin in percentage forms, in relativity to like the rest of the market cap in crypto. So, crypto's total market cap, whatever that number is in dollars, Bitcoin has 49% of it. Bitcoin makes up about half of crypto, and that makes sense. It was a big deal the first time when we broke through 50%. It was a very, very big deal. Over here we were holding it, but right now, what's going on is we are breaking out. We're breaking out of this range here. We've got kind of, if we were to take a box, right, a little rectangle, make us a box here, little boxy box. You can see that right now, literally as I'm making this video, we are breaking out of this. And we have been playing cat and mouse. We've been, going up and going out. But I think kind of the way that like Bitcoin price right now is playing cat and mouse with this price area. But ultimately it keeps going lower. It gets lower lows and lower highs, and I think it's going to show its true colors to the downside. I think the same thing with this, but it's going higher, getting higher highs, higher lows, and I think it's just a matter of time. And I think we're seeing it right now, where this chart is going to go, from a percentage basis format. It's going to go, at a minimum, up to 51%, maybe, maybe 62%, maybe higher, maybe even higher than these highs here. But I would expect to see something of a move, something like this or like this, a rather quick move up to finish off what already really is a move up since August of last year. We do have bearish divergence, but I don't know. Man. This could be invalidated. This could definitely, and actually, I don't even know if I'd call this bearish divergence, honestly. It's wacky, it's weird, but if anything, it's definitely hidden bullish divergence. You've got lower lows here in the oscillator, higher lows here in the price. It's definitely hidden bullish divergence, but I don't know if it's actually bearish divergence. That just looks weird to me. What looks like is happening very clearly is we're in this range. Maybe it was a little bit lower even, something like that. We broke out of it. We're breaking out of it right now. Maybe the range was even a little bit lower than that, and we've been like testing support on the top of this range. I don't know, but we are making some kind of move to break out of this right now. At any time in Bitcoin's history, whenever its dominance has moved, through this kind of area, it moved very fast down. It moved very fast up here, right? Came down, moved very fast up and through, very fast down. So I would expect at least, like over the next week or so, that we would move up to 51 or 52%, if not higher. And I think that's just the beginning. And what this all means, the reason why we're focused, or I'm focused so much on the Bitcoin dominance chart right now, and you might see a lot of other YouTubers or crypto Twitter people talk about it, is because this is what happens whenever altcoins take a dump. Bitcoin's dropping in price today, but its dominance is going up. That's because Bitcoin dropped 3% today. Altcoins everywhere are dropping like 10% at a minimum, 15%, 20%, some more than that. A lot of them around 15 to 18%. And when Bitcoin only drops 3%, that its dominance, everything else is losing market cap. Bitcoin's maintaining its, so its dominance in the whole crypto sphere goes up. I wonder, if we were to add on here, if we were to do total 2. This is it, new price scale. So this excludes Bitcoin and Ethereum. Total 2. I'm pretty sure. Let me see. Total. Oh no. So that would be. There we go. So this is excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. Total 2. And we're going to put it in a log scale. Logarithmic. Oh. Is this? Maybe they are supposed to look a lot alike. Total 2. Right? Total market cap, exclude BTC and ETH. They're like identical. Is this right? Is this supposed to be what Is total 2 just a repeat of btc.d? Would it be? I guess they would be the same chart, right? I mean, other than the fact that Ethereum's not involved, I don't know. This is weird. This is weird, man. I'm going to go back to total 2. We're going to go back to a total 2 here. And, you know, just get it without Bitcoin, I guess. Leave Ethereum in the mix. I don't know. That was weird. That's not what I was expecting to see. Maybe I'm missing something. Maybe there's an obvious reason for it. I'm not doing the math properly in my head as to why that happened. But you know, we're looking here. It looks very similar. It looks very identical. And in fact, what am I missing, man? What am I doing? Oh man, that's why. I'm so sorry, everybody. I'm so sorry. btc.d. It's because they are the same chart. That's because they are. They're the they were the exact same chart. My bad. So we're on btc.d right now, and I think now if we were to pull up total 3, not searching for it but adding it, right? Total 3. Yeah, we're gonna, oh man, I gotta, bear with me, people, bear with me. I promise I'm almost done here. It's been a little hiccup. I did not anticipate this, but let's see. We're gonna go total 3, new price scale. There we go. Logarithmicize this bad boy, and we're good. Okay, so have I lost you? Are you still there? So the point of this is that this is the market cap without Bitcoin and Ethereum. Okay, that's what it is. And basically, as you can see, whenever Bitcoin dominance takes a tank, altcoins go up, because this is every coin. This is the market cap without Bitcoin and Ethereum. So this is literally altcoins as a whole conglomerate. That's what this orange line is. And when Bitcoin dominance dumps, altcoins rally. It does good things. Bitcoin dominance bottoms, it starts going up. Altcoins do bad. They do bad. They do bad. You can see it going through here. Going down, right? We started going down right here. And right around here, this is like around the lows, but we start going up. You know, as we go lower, we start going up. And we even rally, as we're going up here, we're even rallying with Bitcoin. But we took, you can see here, we paused. We didn't grow as quickly as we did after this little growth here. Whenever we took a dive here, that's when this magnificent finish to the altcoin cycle was had. And anyways, looking at it now, you know, if we were to go to this bottom here, we've been in an uptrend. We're going lower here. When the dominance of Bitcoin goes up, it's not normally a good thing for altcoins. It's normally not. It's not always bad. It's not always bad, but man, it's not a good thing normally, because normally when the Bitcoin dominance goes up, it's because altcoins are selling. Bitcoin's not doing anything. It's dropping small percentages. It's staying at the same level. Maybe it's going up even, but it's not doing anything. It's all the other coins that are dropping that moves this dominance. And what we're seeing right now, the whole main point of this is a break in this kind of price area on the Bitcoin dominance, which spells to me that future moves are coming, that we might be breaking this downtrend that we're in. That, you know, if we look at it on a daily perspective, I'm going to mute this a little bit here. Look at it on a daily perspective. Yeah, we're, you know, above the purple line. Purple line's postured up. We are looking to get, we are above the 50 on this. We're in an uptrend. We're in an uptrend completely. If we were to do the MA ribbon and look at it, you know, yeah, this looks really strong, man. Like a very strong uptrend that we've been in now since December of last year. On a weekly, fresh cross up, making moves afterwards, like a nice bounce into the crux there. Yeah, I think, you know, I think it's going places, man. The last time we had a cross up, a bullish cross up on the weekly, I'm not counting this is a fake, but the last time we had a bullish cross up on the weekly market cap dominance was, you know, I guess technically the cross happened in November of 2018. Let's remember that date, November of 2018. and then then we had this spectacular move up, and this all, by the way, happened. This cross happened up here, so maybe we don't go as high as this. Maybe we only go as high as like 61 or 62%. Maybe we do go higher. But the last time that we saw a cross, percentage-wise, from like where the price was or where the bar was, we moved up 33%. From where the bar is, we moved up. If we were to go 33% from there, yeah, like 62%. Maybe we see another form like a kind of like shoulder pattern down here. Anyways, this cross, or I guess this bottom here, when things really started to take off, when this whole move started, this happened in, January of 2018, and this was the beginning of the bear cycle. And while Bitcoin tanked throughout this time, altcoins got demolished. Man, they got obliterated, straight oblivion. And this little April of 2019, March 2019 to September of 2019, I wonder how altcoins did during that time. I'm not going to pull up any altcoins just because, but I would bet they're doing bad. But this is, it's extreme growth. I bet, we're about to see some extreme growth that we haven't seen. This has been moving sideways, more or less up and down, and I think now we're getting some directional pull, and I bet we're going to get big moves like we did here, where week after week we're just going up, 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 because week after week altcoins are selling. Bitcoin is maybe selling as well, going down in price, but not nearly as fast, or maybe it's chilling, maybe it's even going up, but that's not what this chart says. This chart just says that Bitcoin gets more dominant, and I think that's what's going to happen. So if you like the video, leave a thumbs up, subscribe for more. I know I got off track there a little bit on the video. I get off track sometimes, guys, but I really do like making these videos. I try to put a different perspective and a different dynamic on it than most people. I don't talk about news too much. I don't really like to talk about news. I like to talk about the charts. I'm a technical analyst, self-proclaimed. I don't have any like formal experience. I'm just like YouTube University, man. I've learned all this on my own, and I'm just trying to share some of the stuff that I've learned on YouTube as well. And I haven't learned it just through YouTube. I've done a lot of like other research as well, but mainly online research and stuff, and just practice. Like you have to almost identify your own tendencies to a certain degree. Like there are rules, but you kind of have to set up the rules that best align with how you think, I guess. And the rules are all there for you to observe. And that's the thing. A technical analyst, they just observe things. You're just observing things. That's it. And basing the potential projections off of past observances. And you're going to know that it's not going to look the exact same, but something to expect. You're not rubbing a crystal ball to get the exact number at the exact time. Like if you're trying to do that with technical analysis, you're never going to get it right. If you ever do get it right, you're lucky. But nobody can predict the exact price and the exact time all the time, or even once. Like it's really hard to do that, especially when you throw time in the mix. But this, showing the ribbon here, showing the RSI and all the stuff, pulling up the btc.d, I try to keep things going. I try not to do the same thing over and over again, even whenever we are moving sideways. And it might not look like it right now. And we zoom in, it really doesn't. It's just boring kind of price action. It does look like Bitcoin's coming up a little bit, but boring kind of price action. But there's still a lot going on. There's still a lot going, without people noticing. There's a lot going on. We rejected the 50 here. We had the daily cross on the MA exponential ribbon, right? We've got the daily cross here on a weekly time frame. Well, on a weekly basis too. We're flirting with this yellow line, which is this is a big deal. Closing the week below this yellow line would be a very big deal, actually, for the bears and for the bulls. But it'd be an indication to me that we're definitely going lower. Like that, there's just one more thing to tack on to the bearish argument. If we were to go all the way back, let's see. On a weekly basis, we're almost there. And technically, I think right now we might be there. Let's see. My computer's lagging for some reason. You guys can still see me. You can still hear me, it looks like. But I'm having a bit of a moment with the laptop. That's okay. We're going to refresh it one time and just see if that works. Okay, cool. So on a weekly basis, the RSI is crossing below the 50. I don't know if it'll cross below the 50 this week. I'm kind of expecting like this I wouldn't be surprised if we close right at the 50 just to get me, and then we bounce. It looks like we're bouncing off the 50 just to make it look bad, or good. Technically, it'd be good for the price, but there's, what I'm trying to say is it might be boring. It might look boring. There might be the same stuff over and over again, but there's a whole lot of different dynamics that are involved, that are at play right now, that we're really close to getting some clarification on and some follow through on. And once that happens, that'll really be the marker for the direction that we're going. I think we're going down. We could go up. A lot of the circumstances to prove that we're going down, or to certify, in my opinion, that we're going down, the charts are saying it. They haven't happened yet. The only thing that I've got going for me, really, the only big deal is the bearish daily cross. But other than the fact that the world is in an economic state of disarray as well, and I think that we are in a zigzag pattern, there's not really a whole lot. There's a lot of bullish things going on too. This bouncing off the 50 here would be very bullish. It was here, it was there, it was there, it was there, every time. So I would not like to see that, but it wouldn't surprise me. It wouldn't surprise me if we opened up the week green and then finished it red for next week. But we'll get into that as the days come by. Anyways, if you like the video, leave a thumbs up, subscribe. I really appreciate you guys. Thanks for coming. Have a good day. And live a good life. And eat good food that tastes good. Makes you feel good, but also tastes good. Get some good food. All right. Get some good sleep. Get some good sleep. And most importantly, drink some good water. Drink good water. Ideally not from a plastic gallon, but good water. Try to drink some good water. All right. Good sleep, good food, good water, good life. Take care. Bye-bye.